The email templates are where you'll customize the verbiage for all of the various emails that are sent to your users throughout the submission and jury process. You'll note here that each of these are organized into tabs, allowing you to preview exactly what the email will look like when they are sent to your users. When your user registers on your call, they're sent the registration email. When a user submits a submission, they're sent the submission confirmation email. When you send out the mass jury in and jury out notifications, the users will either get the jury in or jury out emails, depending on the status of each individual submission. And when you check your submissions in for physical receiving of the entries by checking submissions in, your users will receive the checked in and checked out email accordingly. In order to edit the details, you'll simply come into a tab and click on the Edit Template button. This will present you with a live form that you can go ahead and edit any of the verbiage for your specific email. Note that the submission fields allows for not only custom verbiage and basic highlighting of your text, so I can select some text and make this bold, for example. It also supports variable keys. So for example, the user first name and user last name, of course, will be swapped out for the actual artist's first and last name. All of those keys can be customized and added via the variable key here. So if I want to add another variable, I can simply place my cursor where I want to add a variable, click on this key, and then I can add any one of these things I want. So maybe I want to add in the category name. For example, I can click on category name, and now category name would appear there. Down here at the bottom, this shows you the variable key, and it shows you the sample of what would be replaced. The sample data here in the right-hand column is actually the data that's of the first submission in your call. It's strictly for illustration purposes, as this data will be swapped out for the individual emails are sent and received.